Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to test and replace your heating element in a whirlpool dryer. First thing as always is unplug your power supply at the plug, and you're just going to simply remove this back cover. It's just like 6 to 8 screws, and then you'll be here. So in this case, after testing our high limit thermostat and our thermal fuse, we have came down here. I like to go ahead and remove this here. Test our actual heating element and see we're not getting continuity. So there's going to be a break in this coil somewhere. That's our heating element, and there's our break. That's why we didn't get continuity, and that's why the dryer wasn't heating up. So you can replace this insert of the actual heating element back into your casing, and you'll be good to go.